Hey!
What's going on, YouTube?
Hi YouTube. This is how you play the D chord on your guitar. First finger will be on the second fret and on the third string, and your second finger will be on the first string on the second fret, and your third finger will be on the third fret and second string. So there you have it. This is your D major chord. So the strings you'll be playing will be fourth, third, second and first string. The top two will be mute. You don't have to play it. Just the fourth string and all the rest down below. D major chord. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel to keep updated for future lessons. Thanks for watching.